Hello friends, we will start our last topic, that is application of integral calculus. In last video we have seen area in Cartesian coordinate. Now we are in this today's video we see area in polar form. So therefore whenever curve is given in terms of polar form, then area is given by, here see the equation of area. Area is equals to, now that is equals to double integration r dr d theta, and the limits are according to the curve. Now see the example of this term. Now find by double integration, find by double integration the area lying inside the circle. Equation of circle is given, r is equals to a sine theta, and outside the cardioid r is equals to a 1 minus cos theta. If we see the equation of circle, then it is r is equals to a sine theta. We know that in Cartesian form x is equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta. Therefore it is as given, r is equals to a sin theta. That means this circle is having center on y axis at the point a comma 0 comma a. Now regarding with the cardioid, now we see we know the what is cardioids. Cardioids are r is equals to a into 1 minus cos theta. This having heart shape lies on theta, this is lies on the line theta is equals to pi, that is the initial line of that curve. So therefore let the equation of circle is r is equals to a sin theta, and that of cardioid is r is equals to a into 1 minus cos theta. We have to find double integration the area lying inside the circle. We have to find out the area inside the circle and this cardioid. Now so therefore the region of integration lies in first quadrant. Now see here, I have drawn the figure of that. Now this is my circle having radius a units, center at y axis 0 comma a by 2. This is my required circle here. Okay, after getting the circle, now we have to draw the cardioid. For cardioid we know that put theta is equals to 0, pi by 2, theta is equals to pi, and 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. According to that we consider, now for theta is equals to 0, that's cos 0 is equals to 1, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. That means it goes to pole here, that is initial line. Secondly, for theta is equals to pi by 2, cos theta cos pi by 2 is equals to 0. Therefore this is equals to r is equals to a. As distance is a by 2, so therefore this distance must be double. So this is the theta comma, this is the theta pi by 2 comma a here. Next is, now theta is equals to pi. For pi is equals to cos theta is equals to minus 1, cos pi is minus 1, so minus minus become plus, so that is twice of a. So therefore this distance should be double of this distance here, so that is double here. Next part is 3 pi by 2, all the multiples of pi by 2 of cos theta are 0, so therefore again this is 0, so therefore this distance is same as above distance, so this is here. Now and again for 2 pi, cos 2 pi is equals to 1, so therefore plus minus 1 is equals to 0, so it again goes to the pole and it close the figure now here. So according to that we draw the diagram now. So this is my circle and this is my cardioid. So this is the required region between the cardioid. R is equals to a into bracket 1 minus cos theta, and r is equals to a minus sin theta. If we see here, the lower part is now lower limit, so lower part or lower line inside the curve is that shows the cardioid. So therefore r is equals to a into 1 minus, and upper line is of circle, so therefore here r varies from a into 1 minus cos theta to a into sin theta. Next regarding with the now theta, so if we see here, it is in totally first quadrant, so that means here theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. So therefore we get the limit now, r is equals to that r varies from a into 1 minus cos theta to a sin theta, and theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. So therefore double integration over the polar form becomes area is equals to double integration r dr d theta. So therefore 0 to pi by 2 d theta, then a into 1 minus cos theta to a into sin theta r dr. So 0 to pi by 2 d theta is as it is, integration of r with respect to dr become r square by 2, so 1 by 2 is constant, so it is outside d theta 0 to pi by 2. Then apply the limit r square, so therefore a sin square theta, then into bracket minus function with lower limit minus a into 1 minus cos theta bracket square. So a square is, take its expansion, 1 square is 1, that is apply a square minus 2ab plus b square form. So applying that after now, taking separate out the I have separate this, or I can open this bracket now. So due to this minus, it becomes here changes in sign. So now here I have taken a square to be common, so it become a square by 2, 0 to pi by 2 d theta. So here it is now sine square, then minus theta, minus minus become 2 cos theta, and plus minus become cos minus cos theta. Now this is sine square theta minus 1 here. So we know that sine square theta minus 1 is equals to nothing but sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So therefore this become here, because we know the identity that this will be sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So due to there, therefore this become here sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So I apply here sine square value is 1 minus cos square theta, this minus 1 plus 2 cos theta minus cos square theta. Now here this 2 minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, this minus minus become minus 2 cos square theta, and this 2 cos theta. So I have taken again here 2 as a common, so 2 get cancelled, remains only here this value. Now apply the integration or separate the integration of these two terms. So cos theta's integration is sin theta 0 to pi by 2. Now this converted into reduction formula. So by reduction formula, n is equals to e1. So therefore 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Next is now sin pi by 2 is equals to 1 and sin 0 is equals to 0. So therefore this is 1 value. Here this become minus pi by 4. So therefore the area is equals to a square into 1 minus pi by 4 square unit. Hence the area lies between this cardioid and circle is a square into 1 minus pi by 4 square unit. Now next we will see the another example is find the area by double integration by the circle. Now here both are circles are given, that are r is equals to 2 cos theta and r is equals to 4 cos theta. Now here both are circles, both are having centers on x axis, because here r is equals to cos theta. So therefore the equation of circles are r is equals to 2 cos theta and r is equals to 4 cos theta. Therefore from the diagram we get here, this is my in small circle, that is r is equals to 2 cos theta. This is outer circle, that is r is equals to 4 cos theta. Now I consider here from diagram we get that region is distributed into two equal parts. Okay, then further if we consider only in first quadrant, so therefore r varies from here. We are considering area between these two circles, so this is not required area, this is the shaded portion is the required area. So for that here now r varies from small circles, radius of small circles to radius of higher greater circle. So small circles radius is r is equals to 2 cos theta, and greater circle or outer circle is r is equals to 4 cos theta. Hence r varies from 2 cos theta to 4 cos theta. So this is the regarding with r. Now next part is now as area is distributed into two parts, so therefore we are considering the area in only in first quadrant. So first quadrant means 0 to pi by 2, so theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. So therefore integration become integration double integration r dr d theta. Therefore as the region is distributed into two parts, so therefore this will be 2 times 0 to pi by 2 2 cos theta to 4 cos theta r dr d theta. Now here 2 is a constant, 0 to pi by 2 d theta, r's integration with respect to r is r square by 2 from 2 cos theta to 4 cos theta. Now apply the limits, constant is 2 get cancelled, so remains only here 0 to pi by 2 d theta. Then apply limit r square means 4 cos theta. 4 cos theta square is 16 cos square theta. Then lower limit is 2 cos theta, that is 4 cos square theta. So 4 cos 16 cos square minus 4 cos square become 12 here. So 12 is constant number, so it is outside the integration. 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta d theta. Again this is now even power, this is converted into reduction formula. So pi by 12 is as it is into 1 by 2 and into pi by 2. We know the reduction formula becomes here n minus 1 upon goes on increasing, and last term is 1 if it is odd power, and it is pi by 2 if even power. So it is even power, so pi by 2. Then next is now 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, so that is 3 pi square unit. Hence the area lies between these two circle is nothing but 3 pi square unit. So in this way we can consider the area between these terms. Next example is now I consider one more example here. Evaluate double integration over r square dr d theta where r is the semicircle. Now we are considering semicircle. R varies from 2a cos theta above the initial line. Now if I draw, this is my circle here, I consider only semicircle now here. So therefore the initial r is equals to 2a cos theta. If I consider this line, then this line having equation 2a here, x is equals to 2a or r is equals to 2a. Then r varies from 0 to, as we are considering only semicircle, so only upper half portion is converted. So this line is having line 0 and this is the border line or border of that. So therefore r varies from 0 to 2a cos theta. Area is theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. We are considering only positive direction. So therefore this is my evaluate r square sin theta dr d theta. So 0 to pi by 2 sin theta d theta. R varies from 0 to 2a cos theta r square dr. Now take its r integration. So r cube upon 3, 0 to 2a cos theta, 0 is lower limit, no need to apply it, only apply the upper limit. So 1 by 3 is constant, 0 to pi by 2 sin theta d theta. Then apply 2a cos theta. So 2 cube is 8, a cube is a cube and cos cube theta. So that is 8a cube. 0 to pi by 2 cos cube theta sin theta d theta. If I see here now, this is cos theta and its derivative is minus sin theta. So we have to arrange here minus sign so that its derivative must be present. So multiply this and this by minus sign. So minus minus become plus here. So we cannot disturb the integration now. So this a minus 8a cube by 3 constant is as it is. Then 0 to pi by 2 cos cube theta into its derivative minus theta. So it become f dash of f of x into f dash theta d theta. So by its now, by applying this, its integration become now cos raised to n theta upon n. So that is cos raised to 4 theta upon 4, 0 to pi by 2. So then next is now apply the limit cos pi by 2 is 0, cos 0 is equals to 1. So 0 minus 1, then 4 4s are 1, 4 2s are 8. So that will be minus 2a cube upon 3, 0 minus a. So minus minus becomes so 2a cube upon 3 square unit. So in this way we find the area between two curves.